Which sentence is polite for asking a question in class? Options are A. Tell me now. B. I do not know. C. May I ask a question? D. Give me the answer. The correct answer is May I ask a question? What should a student say when they do not understand something? Options are A. I don't understand. B. I am leaving. C. I finished eating. D. I lost my bag. The correct answer is I don't understand. Which sentence is used to ask for permission to enter the classroom? Options are A. May I come in? B. Where is my pencil? C. I am reading. D. Open the book. The correct answer is May I come in? What is the best way to ask someone to repeat? Options are A. Say again fast. B. Could you please repeat that? C. Stop talking. D. I don't care. The correct answer is Could you please repeat that? Which sentence can a student use to ask for help? Options are A. I can help you. B. Please help me. C. I am late. D. This is a chair. The correct answer is Please help me. Which phrase is suitable when submitting work? Options are A. Here is my work. B. Close the door. C. I am thirsty. D. What is this? The correct answer is Here is my work. What should a student say when they make a mistake? Options are A. I am sorry. B. Stand up. C. Read loudly. D. Go outside. The correct answer is I am sorry. Which sentence is used to ask for permission to speak? Options are A. May I speak? B. I have a bag. C. The book is blue. D. I am walking. The correct answer is May I speak? Which sentence is a polite request for a pencil? Options are A. Give pencil. B. Can I borrow a pencil, please? C. Pencil is there. D. I have no book. The correct answer is Can I borrow a pencil, please? What should a student say when they finish an activity? Options are A. I have finished. B. I am sleeping. C. I don't want this. D. Where are you going? The correct answer is I have finished.